Papanoorin natin ang tourism video ni Rochelle Hocco representing Oriental Mindoro for Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
Coming home after years abroad feels like a warm embrace. The sights, the people, the culture. It's like I never left.
Nice.
Here in Oriental Mindoro, we embrace our roots. Riding a Carabao car takes me back to my childhood. Simple, joyful, and full of wonder. Meeting the indigenous Manyan community reminds me that true beauty lies in connection and culture. Our province is not just about beautiful beaches, it's about the people and their stories. Hello everybody! At tara, kain tayo!
Wow, yun yung tara, kain tayo, yung trademark na
Every
yun.
bite tells a story of tradition and love.
Marang.
Sharing my experiences with the youth is my way to reminding them your dreams are valid, no matter how big or small. In Dubai, I found new opportunities and incredible experiences. But coming back reminded me of my first dream to become Miss Universe and to represent the place that shaped me. Sometimes, you need to travel far to appreciate where your heart truly belongs. Tara, balik tayo sa simula at gumawa na tayo ng kwento.
Nakaka-touch yun. And sobrang relate tayo dun sa, especially yung sa first part. Kasi as an ex-OFW, ganun talaga yung feeling na kapag lumabas ka ng bansa, nag-work ka ng ilang taon, you get to enjoy the lifestyle, yung buhay doon. Pero iba pa rin talaga pag umuwi ka sa province mo, like, nakakatuwa yung nai-enjoy mo yung festivals, iba pa rin talaga yung feeling, iba yung happiness na naibibigay niya sa atin. And yun nga, happy and nakaka-proud yung isang Rochelle Hocco kasi hindi siya, kumbaga hindi niya kinakahiya or hindi niya ikinakatwa yung kung ano yung talagang dream ng puso niya even after achieving so much sa pagiging OFW na pag-work niya